What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. I'm happy to be back here in Latrobe. I've been traveling a lot because we're about to open our 4th location just west of St. Louis, so stay tuned for that. We'll be giving you lots of updates on what's happening there. We'll start here in the Tint Bay in Latrobe. We're going to show you what's happening in the shop. Terrell's tinting a Grand Cherokee. And over here, Patrick is working on paint correcting a Subaru. Before we do a ceramic coating, we also did paint protection film on the front bumper of this one and window tint on it yesterday. So a little bit of everything here. And beside him, Caleb is working on a Dodge Ram correction and coating. It's a big truck. Then we have 2 Corvettes over here. One is a brand new Z06. This is like the 8th Z06 we've had in here. Getting a full wrap just like all of the others. This one's got a red and black interior. I don't know if we've seen that combo on a Z06 yet. And on the lift is a C8 that we had previously wrapped in stealth. So this one is interesting. It's back mostly because the stealth wrap got some weird staining on the front and rear bumpers. It was like these orange marks. Very, very rare that something like that happens that we cannot clean off. We tried everything, we couldn't clean it. So of course, Expel's willing to cover that under warranty, and so are we. So we went ahead and took those pieces off. We're gonna be rewrapping and recoating those at no cost to the customer. All right, outside we've got quite a few vehicles as well. This Ram 1500 is getting paint protection film on the front bumper. Sitting next to it is an AMG that also got paint protection film installed on the front end. And this Challenger is next in line for a fusion coating. It's been prepped. We just got to get it in and start the polishing process. Ram 2500. This one's here for an annual inspection. Previously ceramic coated by us. Max's Type R is getting more stealthy by the day. Whenever he finds time to put film on it, he's doing that. David is working on some finishing touches on a BMW. This one got paint protection film on the front end. Now it's getting ceramic coated after that. And our RAV4 is getting window tint. And a Porsche Macan is getting the front end protected. I believe that one's done and ready to go home as well. And over there, you can see Stretch. You guys might remember him from the Gibsonia store when we set that up. He did a lot of our paint work and everything there. Our building was starting to look a little bit worn. It's been 3 years since we painted it. The green stripe in particular had faded a lot. You can probably see it on the side. And so Stretch is here, making us look beautiful again. So we thank Stretch very much for that. Let's see what Luke has going on in Gibsonia and Nathan in Miami.
It's Wednesday again, so you know what that means? Let's take a walk through the shop.
In the showroom, we have a Ferrari F12 and a Rolls-Royce Dawn. So the Ferrari's in the shop here for a couple different things. As you can see on the hood here, there's a pretty nasty seam where the last installer left that short. So we'll be taking off the entire hood paint protection film and putting on a fresh piece. Once that is done, there's a few other odds and ends we've got to tie up on this, subbing on some upholstery work and whatnot. So this will be here for a couple weeks, so come check it out if you're in Gibsonia. In the back, we have this 2020 Mazda CX-3. This got our full front paint protection film, and we're going to be doing a polish of the entire vehicle, along with the ceramic coating on all the PPF, all the paint, wheels, calipers, and glass. Next up, we have a brand new Tesla Model X. This was in previously for some window tint, and the customer decided to come back and visit us again for some ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. So we got the entire vehicle polished out, topped off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up for some ceramic coating is this 2023 BMW X7. This was in for some front window tint, full front paint protection film, and next we're going to be polishing out all that black paint and applying a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here in the ceramic coating bay, we have a GMC Denali. This paint has seen better days, so it's obviously a work truck and it's used as a truck. So there was a fair amount of micro swirls, micro scratches on the entire body of the vehicle. We did a 2-step polish and got the entire vehicle all cleaned up, and it is in the process of getting a Fusion Plus coating. The body is currently done. We have to do the wheels and calipers, and then we should be all good to go. In the tint bay, we have a 2023 Volkswagen Jetta. This is in for our Prime XR 15% tint on all the side windows, the back window, and the sunroof. In the wash bay, we have Jason doing the final wash on this 2019 Mazda CX-3. This got our full front paint protection film on the front bumper, full hood, 2 front fenders, and the mirror caps. In the back, we have Austin doing his thing on this 2023 Mustang Mach-1. This is getting a full front paint protection film package. And once that is complete, we're going to be polishing out the back of the vehicle, so the doors, the back quarter panels, and the roof essentially. Next up, we have a 2019 Volvo XC60. This is in for some paint protection film on the entire front bumper and the entire hood. Our full wrap of the week is this 2023 Ford Raptor R. As you can see, the fender is complete. So you can see the comparison with the stealth paint protection film and the rest of the vehicle. So once this is all said and done, the entire vehicle will be protected from rock chips, along with give it a completely unique look with the satin finish you don't see very often on trucks.
Thank yous for tuning in. Now let's send it down to Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout, Tinting, Miami. Let's see what we have going on the shop this week.
Over here, we have a brand new 2023 BMW M4. Beginning our paint protection film on the track package, so that's the full front end, rocker panels, and then around the rear wheel. Getting our Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, then also the XR black tint on the side doors, and the XR Plus ceramic tint on the front windshield. And it wouldn't be Blackout Miami with another C8 Z06 in the shop. This customer, he's gonna be doing a full wrap ceramic coating and our XR 5% ceramic tint on the side windows and the XR Plus ceramic 55 on the windshield. So he's gonna be protected. He's also opted to do the interior ceramic coating to help protect his suede pieces. The owner of this 2021 Bentley Continental GT First Edition decided that he wanted to protect his interior too, so we're also getting a ceramic coating on the interior done on this. Here is a brand new 2023 Honda Civic Type R. They got the full front clip protected with paint protection film, and also got our XR Prime ceramic tint around the sides and on the windshield. This is a brand new 2023 Maserati Ghibli Trofeo. The owner decided that it was time to get the paint protection film applied to his front end, so we're getting that done this week. Another 2019 Tesla Model 3 that had some PPF damage and an accident, so we got that replaced. This week we have another 2023 Chevy Corvette C8 in the red mist color. We got our Expel XR Prime ceramic tint on the side windows, and then the XR Plus ceramic 70% tint on the windshield and little cubby window. The owner of this 2023 Ford F-150 decided that it was time to protect his front end with paint protection film, so we're getting that done. We're also gonna be tinting the sunroof and applying a visor with our XR Plus ceramic tint.
That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.